हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी एंड एंटरटेनमेंट क्लब में। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ पार्ट 4, जिसमें हम पढ़ेंगे 12.6 रेसिस्टेंस ऑफ अ सिस्टम ऑफ रेसिस्टर्स। इन प्रीसीडिंग सेक्शंस we learned about some simple electric circuits. We have noticed how the current through a conductor depends upon its resistance and the potential difference across its ends. In various electrical gadgets, we often use resistors in various combinations. We now therefore intend to see how Ohm's law can be applied to combinations of resistors. There are two methods of joining the resistors together. Figure 12.6 shows an electric circuit in which three resistors having resistance R1, R2 and R3 respectively are joined end to end. Here the resistors are said to be connected in series. Figure 12.6 Resistors in series. Figure 12.7 shows how a combination of resistors in which three resistors are connected together between points X and Y. Here the resistors are said to be connected in parallel. Figure 12.7 Resistors in parallel. 12.6.1 Resistors in series. What happens to the value of current when a number of resistors are connected in series in a circuit? What would be their equivalent resistance? Let us try to understand this with the help of the following activities. Activity 12.4 Join three resistors of different values in series. Connect them with a battery, an ammeter and a plug key as shown in figure 12.6. You may use the resistors of values like 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, etc. and a battery of 6 volt for performing this activity. Plug the key. Note the ammeter reading. Change the position of ammeter to anywhere in between the resistors. Note the ammeter reading each time. Do you find any change in the value of current through the ammeter? You'll observe that the value of current in the ammeter is the same, independent of its position in the electric circuit. It means that in a series combination of resistors, the current is the same in every part of the circuit or the same current through each resistor. Activity 12.5. In activity 12.4, insert a voltmeter across the ends X and Y of the series combination of three resistors as shown in figure 12.6. Plug the key in the circuit and note the voltmeter reading. It gives the potential difference across the series combination of resistors. Let it be V. Now measure the potential difference across the two terminals of the battery. Compare the two values. Take out the plug key and disconnect the voltmeter. Now insert the voltmeter across the ends X and P of the first resistor as shown in figure 12.8. Figure 12.8. Plug the key and measure the potential difference across the first resistor. Let it be V1. Similarly, measure the potential difference across the other two resistors separately. Let these values be V2 and V3 respectively. Deduce a relationship between V, V1, V2 and V3. You'll observe that the potential difference V is equal to the sum of potential difference V1, V2 and V3. That is the total potential difference across a combination of resistors in series is equal to the sum of potential difference across the individual resistors. That is, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. In the electric circuit shown in figure 12.8, let I be the current through the circuit. The current through each resistor is also I. It is possible to replace the three resistors joined in series by an equivalent single resistors of resistance R, such that the potential difference V across it and the current I through the circuit remains the same. Applying the Ohm's law to the entire circuit, we have V is equal to IR. 12.12. On applying Ohm's law to the three resistors separately, we further have V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, and V3 is equal to IR3. From equation 12.11, IR is equal to I into R1 plus I into R2 plus I into R3, or RS means R in series, resistance in series, is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. We can conclude that when several resistors are joined in series, the resistance of the combination RS equals the sum of the individual resistances R1, R2, R3, and thus greater than any individual resistance. Questions. Question number 1. Draw a schematic diagram of a current of a circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each, a 5 ohm resistor, and 8 ohm resistor, and a 12 ohm resistor, and a plug key, all connected in series. Question number 2. Read all the circuit of question 1, putting in an ammeter to measure the current through the circuit and a voltmeter to measure the potential difference across the 12 volt resistor. What would be the reading in the ammeter and the voltmeter? The answer is, in this problem we have a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each. So the total potential difference or voltage of the battery will be 3 into 2 is equal to 6 volt. The circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each, having a voltage of 6 volt. Resistors of 5 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm, and a plug key are all connected in series in the given figure alongside. The above circuit B. The above circuit can be redrawn by including an ammeter in the main circuit and a voltmeter across the 12 ohm resistor, as shown in figure alongside. Please note that the ammeter has been put in series with the circuit, but the voltmeter has been put in parallel with the 12 ohm resistor. We will now calculate the current reading in the ammeter and potential difference reading in the voltmeter. Calculation of current flowing in the circuit. The three resistors of 5 ohm, 8 ohm, and 12 ohm are connected in series. So, total resistance R is equal to 5 plus 8 plus 12 is equal to 25 ohm. Potential difference V is equal to 6 volt, and current I is equal to, we have to find. So V upon I is equal to R. So 6 upon I is equal to 25. 25 into I is equal to 6, and I is equal to 6 upon 25, and I is equal to 0.24 ampere. Now, since the current in the circuit is 0.24 amperes, therefore the ammeter will show a reading of 0.24 ampere. Second, calculation of potential difference across 12 ohm resistor. We have just calculated that a current of 0.24 ampere flows in the circuit. The same current of 0.24 ampere also flows through the 12 ohm resistor, which is connected in series. Now for the 12 ohm resistor, current I is equal to 0.24 ampere, resistance R is equal to 12 ohm, and potential difference we have to find. V upon I is equal to R. So V upon 0.24 is equal to 12, and V is equal to 0.24 into 4 into 12. V is equal to 2.88 volt. Thus, the potential difference across the 12 ohm resistor is 2.88 volts. So the voltmeter will show a reading of 2.88 volts. चलो आज हम यहाँ पर स्टॉप करेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।